Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about in the world of wooden crafts project ideas, a unique ability to foster deeper connections between the maker and the recipient. By showing you a collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The world of wooden crafts has a unique ability to foster deeper connections between the maker and the recipient, creating a bond that transcends the simple act of giving or receiving a gift. When artisans engage in the creation of wooden items, they pour not only their skills and craftsmanship into the work, but also their emotions, stories, and intentions. This process transforms each piece into a narrative, a tangible representation of the maker's journey, thoughts, and experiences. As artisans select their materials and begin the crafting process, they often reflect on the recipient, considering their tastes, preferences, and the significance of the occasion. This personalized approach to crafting imbues the final product with a deeper meaning, making it more than just an object. It becomes a heartfelt expression of care and thoughtfulness. The tactile nature of wood itself adds another layer to the connection between maker and recipient. Wood is a material that carries warmth, texture, and a sense of history. Each grain tells a story, and the imperfections found in the wood often reflect the natural world, reminding the recipient of the beauty of authenticity. When a recipient holds a handcrafted wooden item, they can feel the care that went into its creation. This physical connection enhances the emotional bond, as the recipient is not just receiving a product, but a piece of the maker's soul. The unique characteristics of the wood, its scent, texture, and weight, create an experience that is deeply personal and sensory, allowing the recipient to appreciate the time and effort invested in the craft. Moreover, the act of gifting a handmade wooden item often serves as a bridge between the maker and recipient, establishing a dialogue that continues long after the initial exchange. The stories shared during the giving process, where the maker explains the inspiration behind the piece, the techniques used, or the significance of the materials, can deepen the recipient's appreciation and understanding of the craft. This sharing of stories creates a narrative that enriches the relationship, allowing both parties to connect on a more profound level. The recipient may feel a sense of pride in owning a unique piece of art that reflects not only their personal style, but also the creativity and dedication of the maker. This understanding fosters a mutual respect and appreciation that can enhance the relationship, whether it is between friends, family members, or even clients. In addition to the emotional and sensory aspects of wooden crafts, the process of creating these items often involves a level of mindfulness and intention that resonates with both the maker and the recipient. As artisans immerse themselves in their craft, they engage in a meditative practice that encourages them to focus on the present moment. This mindfulness infuses their work with a sense of purpose and clarity, as they channel their thoughts, feelings, and energy into each piece. When the recipient receives the handcrafted item, they are often aware of this intentionality. The awareness that a piece was made with care and thoughtfulness can evoke feelings of gratitude and connection, as the recipient recognizes the time and effort invested in the creation. Furthermore, the act of creating wooden crafts often involves trial and error, experimentation, and learning, a journey that mirrors the complexities of human relationships. As artisans navigate challenges in their work, they develop resilience and adaptability, qualities that can enhance their interpersonal connections as well. This journey of growth and self-discovery through crafting can be reflected in the pieces they create. For example, a beautifully imperfect bowl may symbolize the beauty of embracing flaws, while a meticulously crafted piece of furniture can represent the dedication and commitment required in both crafting and relationships. When recipients appreciate these nuances, they are reminded that every creation, much like every relationship, is a result of effort, love, and learning. Dear viewers, are enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The social aspect of wooden crafts also plays a significant role in fostering connections between makers and recipients. Many artisans are part of communities that celebrate craftsmanship, sharing their skills and stories with others. This communal spirit often extends to the recipients, who may become part of the artisan's journey by attending workshops, exhibitions, or craft fairs. When recipients engage with makers in these settings, they gain insight into the artistry and labor behind each piece, further deepening their connection. Such interactions enable recipients not only to appreciate the craftsmanship but also to engage with the maker on a personal level, creating a sense of community that enriches the overall experience. Moreover, when artisans create custom pieces tailored to specific individuals, they engage in a process that deepens the connection even further. Custom projects often involve conversations about the recipient's preferences, memories, and aspirations, allowing the maker to infuse the piece with personal significance. This collaborative approach transforms crafting into a shared experience, where the maker and recipient co-create a narrative that is uniquely theirs. The final product becomes a symbol of their relationship, a tangible reminder of the conversations, ideas, and emotions exchanged during the crafting process. This shared investment in the creation fosters a sense of ownership and connection that is often absent in mass-produced items. Artisans also often find joy in knowing that their creations will be cherished and used by others. This awareness can deepen the emotional connection, as the act of gifting a handmade wooden item becomes a way for makers to express their love and appreciation for those in their lives. For instance, a parent crafting a toy for their child imbues the piece with love, care, and hopes for the future. This intention resonates with the recipient, who understands that the gift is more than just a toy, it is a symbol of the parent's affection and desire to create lasting memories. Similarly, a friend gifting a handcrafted item to another can symbolize shared experiences, inside jokes, and the history of their relationship. Each time the recipient uses or admires the piece, they are reminded of the bond they share with the maker. The significance of wooden crafts also extends to cultural and familial traditions, which can further enrich the connection between maker and recipient. Many artisans draw inspiration from their heritage, incorporating traditional techniques and designs into their work. This connection to culture and ancestry creates a sense of continuity and belonging that resonates with both the maker and the recipient. When recipients receive handcrafted items that reflect their cultural background, they are often filled with a sense of pride and nostalgia, fostering a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship involved. These pieces become more than just decorative objects. In addition, wooden crafts can serve as a means of preserving memories and milestones, further enhancing the connection between maker and recipient. Many artisans create items that commemorate special occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, or significant life events. These pieces become cherished reminders of important moments in time, allowing the recipient to revisit those memories whenever they encounter the handcrafted item. For instance, a custom cutting board engraved with the names of a newlywed couple not only serves a functional purpose, but also acts as a lasting symbol of their union. Each time they use the board, they are reminded of the love and thoughtfulness behind its creation, deepening their emotional connection to both the item and their relationship. The artistic expression found in wooden crafts also fosters deeper connections, as artisans often convey their thoughts and feelings through their work. The choice of design, color, and form can reflect the maker's personality, emotions, and experiences, creating a dialogue that resonates with the recipient. When recipients engage with these artistic choices, they may find themselves reflecting on their own experiences and emotions, creating a shared understanding that enhances their connection. This interplay between maker and recipient fosters empathy and appreciation, as both parties recognize the value of creative expression in conveying complex emotions and ideas. As the world increasingly gravitates toward mass production and disposable goods, the significance of handcrafted wooden items becomes even more pronounced. In a society where consumerism often overshadows meaningful connections, wooden crafts stand as a testament to the value of intention, care, and craftsmanship. By choosing to invest in handmade items, recipients acknowledge the artistry involved and the deeper connections that come from supporting artisans. This conscious choice to value craftsmanship over mass-produced goods reinforces the bond between maker and recipient, as both parties recognize the importance of investing in relationships and meaningful experiences. The world of wooden crafts offers a rich tapestry of connections between makers and recipients, fostering deeper relationships that go beyond the simple exchange of objects. Through the act of crafting, artisans infuse their work with emotions, stories, and intentions, creating pieces that resonate on a personal level. The tactile nature of wood, combined with the mindfulness and care involved in the crafting process, deepens the emotional bond between makers and recipients. As artisans share their stories and involve recipients in the creative process, they establish a dialogue that enriches the relationship, transforming each piece into a narrative that celebrates connection. The significance of handcrafted wooden items extends to cultural traditions, memories, and artistic expression, further enhancing the ties that bind makers and recipients. Ultimately, wooden crafts serve as a reminder of the beauty of human connection, illustrating how the act of creating can foster relationships that endure over time and transcend the boundaries of material possessions. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.